Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Your Makeup. I am V. If you're new here, I want to say welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming back. In today's video, I am going to create an eye look that is going to be for childhood cancer. September is Childhood Cancer Month, and I am going to create a look because the color for childhood cancer is gold. So I'm going to create a gold look for Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, which is September. So I'm just putting a base on my eye. I am using the Milani. I'm using this color right here, and I'm just putting it all over my eyes. I'm using my flat brush, and I'm going to do gold eye look. And I changed my mind. I'm going to use my finger. Okay, I might have to do something different here. I am going to use glitter glue because I'm using a shimmer, but I need glitter glue so it can stay, because I noticed once I put my finger in it, it was a little flaky and I don't want it everywhere. Now I use my finger and I'm gonna go in with the gold. Now it can stay in place because I have a glitter glue down. I have some information about childhood cancer. I will read it once I get the gold on my eye. So keep watching so you can hear the rest of the information that I have to share about that. I'm going into this brown from the Juvia's Place. And I'm just fixing the edges. In 1997, a group of parents picked gold as the official color for the Childhood Cancer Awareness Ribbon. It's a group of parents who came up with that idea. So a group of parents decide we need a color for childhood cancer. We need a ribbon color, and they pick gold. There are lots of children out there suffering with cancer. They're adults, but there are lots of children. We're addressing children today. Lots and lots of children are going through childhood cancer. If you are a family that has a child suffering with cancer, I pray for you. We all need prayers. But when your child is sick, it is a very, very, very hard thing. When you have a child that is sick, it's painful. So for this month, I am doing the gold eye look in awareness. I am darkening the outer corner. I'm just taking pressed powder foundation and I'm fixing and cleaning under the eyes. The last bit of information that I do have on childhood cancer, I will talk about it in a few minutes. The color gold signifies how precious children are and the resilience of childhood cancer heroes. This is the look for September, and it is for Childhood Cancer Awareness Month. Gold is the chosen color of the ribbon. Today's inspirational and encouraging word is wishes. Wishes. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is saying, wish for something great for you and for somebody else. Bye.